Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use page setup in Excel. To begin, navigate to the Page Layout tab on the ribbon. Here, you'll find the Page Setup group, which offers essential tools for controlling how your spreadsheet looks when printed. You can easily adjust margins, change the page orientation, and select your desired paper size. Additionally, you can define a specific print area to ensure only relevant data is included in your printout. Customizing your print layout is crucial for professional-looking documents. Within Page Setup, you can modify page margins to create more space or fit more content. Easily switch between portrait for vertical pages or landscape orientation for horizontal pages, depending on your data's layout. You can also center your data on the page, either horizontally or vertically, to enhance readability and presentation. For larger datasets, advanced print options are incredibly useful. You can scale your worksheet to fit all columns or rows onto a specific number of pages, like 1 page wide. The Print Titles feature allows you to repeat header rows or specific columns on every printed page, ensuring your data always has context. You can also choose whether to print grid lines and row or column headings. Finally, enhance your printouts with custom headers and footers. You can include page numbers, dates, or any text you desire at the top or bottom of each page. Adjust print quality and even specify a starting page number for your document. These small details make a big difference in organization. And speaking of upgrades, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.